Meet the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, the undisputed heavyweight of the skies. Thanks to its iconic tandem rotor design, every bit of power from its twin engines goes toward pure vertical lift. No tail rotor required. Whether it's hauling 50 troops, a Humvee, or an M777 howitzer, the Chinook masters the impossible. From its legendary pinnacle landings on jagged peaks to a top speed of 170 knots, this bird has been combat-proven for over 60 years. Fast, powerful, and relentless, this is the backbone of global heavy lift.